Hummingbird man.
Egg carriers in trouble.
Oi!
Nice hits.
Oh.
Revenge kill. Eggs. We are victorious. First
Who do you think you are, twin?
O'Flock?
What's O'Flock doing in my game?
I want to jump, 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 jump.
Oh, wow, that was pretty good time.
I want to be ninja.
Oh.
30 seconds left, lads. Make it count.
Do you think we're winning this one? Do you think we're winning this one? I don't think so.
Defeat.
I can't hear you.
Battle commences in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Man, my teammates never defend this map, but this guy looks like he's actually going to defend the next.
I'm
Here
guarding.
is drawn first blood.
Thank you! Thank
Plenty
you!
of time to get it back.
I got another one! Are you proud of me?
Nice. I'm guarding here.
Thank you! They're cooking. Well, he's cooking, he's cooking. My buddy's cooking you up. No health, no ability, dude. No, bro!
Taken out by a hummingbird. Up.
Kill that hummingbird! I got him! Where's my team?
Egg carrier spotted. Take them down.
How did he steal it? Bro, we literally hit him like 10 times. How did he take the egg?
You've lost an egg. Bloody disaster.
I always
Our
come
egg
back.
carrier taken out by a
Whoa!
happens to the best of us.
Oh my
Egg carrier
gosh!
spotted. Take
What
them
a
down.
play.
They're stockpiling eggs. Stop them.
Oh!
Revenge
Oh.
kill. Now we're even. You've lost an egg. Bloody disaster. Triple kill. Now you're showing off. Our egg
Oh.
carrier's in trouble.
Oh! Bro, y'all gotta
Taken out
my
by
God.
a hummingbird.
just kill the
Happens to the best of us.
hummingbird! Bro, we finally killed him. Bro, we're actually getting cooked right now. What do we do?
Go capture eggs.
They're
I'm guarding.
stockpiling
Yes,
eggs.
sir.
Stop them. They're using our egg. Disgraceful. 1 minute remaining. Our egg carrier's in trouble. It's making a comeback. Don't
Nice
let them.
job, buddy.
Yo, thanks.
They're stockpiling eggs. Stop them. Who's left, lads? Make it count. Our egg carrier's in trouble. Three eggs left. Pick up the pace. Egg carrier spotted. Take them down.
GG guys, GG. That was good.
I'm keeping this.